How to change your name in Clash Royale. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name in Clash Royale. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Clash Royale and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the Clash Royale app, now in the main dashboard of the game, you simply need to tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on Settings. Now, in the Settings tab, you can see the option labeled Change Name. Simply tap on that. But remember, you only get one time to change your name freely on Clash Royale. After that, if you want to change your name again on Clash Royale, then you have to spend the gem to change your name in this. So tap OK, and after that, you'll be prompted to write your new name. So simply type your new name, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on Continue. And after that, your name will be changed successfully in Clash Royale. And that's it. That's how you can change your name in Clash Royale. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.